how to move from Android to iPhone on Move to iOS. So let's get started. Before you begin, on your Android device, make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on and plug your new iOS device and your Android device into power. Alternatively, you can also use a USB-C cable to directly connect your Android device and your iPhone for a faster transfer. Make sure that the content you are moving, including what's on your external micro SD card, will fit on your new iOS device. If you want to transfer your Chrome bookmarks, update to the latest version of Chrome on your Android device. Simply get started on your Apple device. Turn on your new Apple device and place it near your Android device. On your Apple device, follow the on-screen setup instructions. On the quick start screen, tap Setup without another Apple device, then continue to follow the on-screen instructions. You might also be asked to activate your eSIM. Then tap Move Data from Android. Look for the Transfer Your Apps and Data screen, then tap for Android. If you already finished setup, you need to erase your iOS device and start over. If you don't want to erase, just transfer your content manually. After that, on your Android device, open the Move to iOS app. If you don't have the Move to iOS app, you can tap the QR code button on your new iOS device and scan the QR code using the camera on your Android device to open the Google Play Store. After that, to start using the Move to iOS app, tap Continue, read the terms and conditions that appear and tap Agree to continue again. Tap Automatically Send or Don't Send to choose how to share app data with Apple. Tap Continue and enable location permissions if necessary. Tap Continue and enable notifications permissions if necessary. On your iOS device, tap Continue when you see the Move from Android screen, then wait for a 10-digit or 6-digit code to appear. If your Android device shows an alert that you have a weak internet connection, you can ignore the alert. Now enter the code on your Android device. Your iOS device will create a temporary Wi-Fi network. When asked, tap Connect to join that network on your Android device, then wait for the Transfer Data screen to appear. Now choose your content and wait. On your Android device, select the content that you want to transfer from contact and messages to call history or audio files and simply tap Continue. As you move from your Android device, you can activate your phone number and or eSIM on your iPhone or iPad. You might be directed to your carrier's website to finalize this activation. After the loading bar finishes on your iOS device, tap Done on your Android device. Then tap Continue on your iOS device and follow the on-screen steps to finish setup for your iOS device. After that, make sure that all your content is transferred. Music, books, and PDFs need to be moved over manually. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.